today's video, we're going to study about similar, congruent, and symmetrical. Hi everyone! Today we're going to study what is the difference between the terms below. We have similar, congruent, and symmetry. So let's take a look one by one. Now the first one, I have this shape over here, and I have another shape over here. Okay, do you think the shapes are similar? Yes, they are. They are triangles. Even though I turn this shape around, it doesn't change the shape. They both are triangles. They are similar. Are they the same in size? Let's take a look. Okay, they are not. This one is smaller than this one. So we can say that this is similar. They are the same in shape but different in size. Now let's take this one out and let's put this another triangle here. Okay. Do you think they are similar? Yes, they are similar because they are the same in shape. Now I want to compare the sizes. Okay, let's take this one over here. Let's compare the size. Voila! They are perfectly matched. They are same in size. Okay, so this is called congruent because they are the same in shape and the same in size. Remember everyone, congruent means the same in shape and the same in size. Similar means the same in shape but different in size. Now I want to discuss about the last one, which is symmetry. Okay, I have this triangle over here. Okay, now I'm going to cut this triangle in half. So if I make a line over here, this is called the line of symmetry. If I cut it here, is it the same size and shape between this and this? No, it's not. This one is smaller and this one is bigger. This one is triangle. If we cut it over here, this one becomes a triangle and this one becomes a trapezoid. So therefore, this is not symmetry because it is not the same. If we fold it, you can see, if we fold it right in the line of symmetry, okay, we can see, okay, so this one is not the same because there are still many left over here. So this is not symmetry. Now the point is, I want to make this one, when I cut it, it will be the same cut. Then it will be symmetry. So I'm going to cut this into two and I'm going to make the line of symmetry right in the middle over here. Okay, right in the middle over here. So this is my line of symmetry. Okay. Okay. So if I cut it over here, I got this side is triangle over here. And then on the right side is also another triangle. So this is the same shape. Is it the same size? Now let's prove it. I want to fold it over here, right in the middle of the line of symmetry. Okay. So they are the same size when I cut it into two. So that means this is symmetry because they are the same when I cut it in half. Thank you everyone. I hope you understand the lesson of today.
In this lesson, we do some work on flips, slides, and turns. We've got a shape there on the grid. We're going to flip this shape over the red line. Let's see what happens. Right, so it's been flipped over. Let's put it back at its starting point. This time we'll do it again. We'll leave an impression of its starting point. We can see that the shape ends up facing the opposite direction. That's what happens when we have a flip involved. Let's look at the same shape. This time let's slide this shape across to the right. So there's an example of a slide. Let's look at that again. So that's a slide. The next one. Let's turn this shape around. We'll put a little pin there in the corner and we'll turn the shape. All right, so that's a quarter turn. Let's see it again. Here's the turn. Terrific. Let's look at some examples. There's the grid. How has the shape been moved? So we've got the shape there and its new position. We choose from flip, slide, or turn. Well, what do you think? What's happened to the shape? Well, this time it's been flipped. And let's have a look how. So we can see there that the shape has been flipped. The next one. How do you think that triangle's been moved? Did you say a turn? Let's see how. So that's a turn there. Now what about this one here? Probably the easier one actually. It's a slide. Let's see how that works. Okay, so this time the slide doesn't always have to go straight across or straight up and down. It went a bit of a diagonal, didn't it? Excellent. Well, that concludes the lesson. Good luck with your questions.
Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye.